In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font types in Salesforce Lightning Communities. Whether you're looking to improve the aesthetics of your site or trying to make the text more legible for your users, customizing font types is a handy feature that can make a big difference. So let's dive in and explore the steps you'll need to follow. To get started, head over to your Salesforce homepage. Once you're there, look for the settings icon. This is usually represented by a gear icon in the top right corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on that because this is where you're going to access a lot of the customization options. Once you've opened the settings, you're going to need to navigate to the advanced setup. This is a critical step because the option to modify font types isn't something you find in the basic settings panel. Look for an option that says Open Advanced Setup and click on it. Now in the search bar at the top, type in All Sites. This is where you'll be managing your different community sites. You'll see an option labeled All Sites pop up. Click on it. This takes you to a list of all the community sites you're currently managing. Next, locate the Builder option. The Builder is your friend here. It's essentially the control center for how your community site looks and feels. Clicking on Builder opens up a palette of customization tools, which include theming, content layout, and styling options. After you've entered the Builder, you'll want to find the Theme tab in the menu. Click on it to explore the variety of themes Salesforce provides, each with its own default font settings. But we're diving deeper than that. Look for the text option. It should be part of the theme customization section. Clicking on text will bring you to the font settings. Now look for the section labeled Base Font Family. Here you'll be able to select the primary font for your community. You have a couple of options, the visitor's native system font or a custom font. If you choose the visitor's native system font, Salesforce will automatically use the font associated with the user's operating system, ensuring consistency with their other apps and web services. Alternatively, if you prefer a specific font style that matches your brand or aesthetic goals, click on Use Custom Font. Remember, consistency in typography can enhance readability and user experience. Once you've made your selection, be sure to save your changes. That's it. You've successfully customized the font types in your Salesforce Lightning community. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Customizing your community not only improves functionality, but also makes interaction more engaging and visually appealing. Happy customizing!